Pulso?
Opo. Okay, press 5.
Ayun, pero ayaw sa tangugan.
Sige naman. Kaya napasay pulso mga kapatid. Ako yan yung ginawa atin. Kung napasay pulso. Sir, sa pagi ko support siyang ulo sir. Paliho ko sir. Kunita yung ulo diya sir. Kuniti ha. Hindi. Ang ito ginaginayan. Obvious. Sir, paliho ko. Kumain ko sir. Straight yung lawas din sir. Straight yung lawas. Very one. Ayo, gunita yung ulo. Guniti lang yung ulo, guniti lang. Support na yung ulo, sir. Isa ka pa doon dito, sir. 1, 2, 3. Sir, are you okay? Talk to me. Sir, stable lang yung ulo, sir. Guniti lang sa ulay.
Gamay butangan sa ulo.
Okay. Sir, dili ka, sir.
Sakto ko na hotel ko di charge, magbutaro ko.
Kaya po, para sir
Wait,
po.
tagay ko uling kuranan, ma'am. Okay.
Kanang ina mailipit siyang tiil. Di butang na sa ulo.
Just breathe. Sir, guniti, paliho.
Sayang mo nito eh.
Yeah. Feeling better now? Follow my breathing. Inhale. Slow. Inhale. Slow, slowly. Inhale. And slow. Inhale. And slow. Good. Just keep it up. Just breathe for me. Just breathe for me, okay? Good. Inhale.
Coming na?
Good. That's it. Take a charge. Don't worry about your eyes. It's okay. It's okay. Control na. Ayun, diyan. Okay. I'm a trained first aider now. Just follow what I say, okay? I'm gonna put down your legs and I will try to lift you up and just lean on my legs, okay? So the blood will not go through your head, okay?
Mas karin.
Down. Sir, stable lang ang head. Ato siya. Okay, don't push yourself, okay? Just let me lift you, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, up. Okay. Okay, good. Just talk to me. What's your name? Yeah, Michael. Give me your hand, Michael. Squeeze my hand, Michael. Squeeze it high. Tighter, Michael. Luyan na. Okay, tighter, Michael. Talk to me, Michael. It's good. Don't go. Just let. Remove your sandals. You want to remove? No, just leave it. You don't want to remove. Tagay ko, clean cloth, palihaw, clean. Kana limpyo nga pahintan. Don't worry. Okay, I will not let. Uy, ayaw nag-init. Init, ma'am, init. Huwag na ako kailangan, ma'am, palihaw. You take your medicine if you have something to do.